Hey folks, I'm Mike Evers, ORTHOWORLD Senior Market Analyst. We're about to get earnings announcements for the fourth quarter of 2025. Today we'll talk about the projected finish for the year, market share battles in knee replacement, and some of the fastest growing companies of 2025. According to our early estimates, the orthopedic market will grow 4.3% to a worldwide total of $64.6 billion. And with a few exceptions, procedure volume was healthy across orthopedic segments. But the consensus among foot and ankle companies is that the segment was slower yet again in 2025. For example, Treace Medical's survey of its surgeons indicated a 7% drop in bunion surgeries. And while capital sales are generally healthy, success of robotic placements varies from company to company. Globus, for example, hit some roadblocks in its pursuit of Medtronic. Through the third quarter, Globus's enabling technology sales were down 20% due to longer selling cycles and the continuing shift away from outright purchases. During its 3Q earnings call, Zimmer Biomet was asked when its new product cycle would begin to offset some of the knee replacement share losses it faced in recent years. The company said that if it were indeed losing share, it was doing so at a much slower rate now. Well, Zimmer Biomet is losing share, dropping almost 3% over the last decade. And to be fair, those losses have mitigated recently. But it isn't the only one losing share. J&J MedTech lost nearly 4% market share during that same time, while Smith & Nephew dropped about 2%. Stryker, on the other hand, picked up almost 6.5% market share over the last 10 years. And as a group, the big four knee replacement players saw their combined share drop by 2.3% over the last decade, as companies like Medacta and Enovis have become more established. So it'll be interesting to see how these companies fared in the fourth quarter. While the largest orthopedic players manage their portfolios to prioritize growth rates, several mid-tier players are rapidly seizing market share. This exhibit features selected companies with more than $100 million in annual sales and growth rates far above the market average. That range spans Medacta's 18% growth to $806 million to Chorus Bioscience's 47% growth to $140 million. Medacta and ATEC deserve special mention considering they've driven such strong growth against very large sales bases. It's really unusual to see steep growth curves for orthopedic companies outside of the startup realm, but that's exactly what Medacta and ATEC have done. So can these companies keep up their incredible growth in 2026 and beyond? Okay, folks, we'll leave it there for now. We talked about our projections for 2025, battles for knee replacement market share, and a group of companies with market-leading growth. We'll have fourth quarter coverage for you on orthoworld.com and here on our YouTube channel, so make sure you like and subscribe. It also kicks off our production cycle for our upcoming annual report, which will be coming your way in just a few months. So until then, thanks for watching. I'm Mike Evers. I'll see you next time.